So it is Wednesday, September 6th, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice not too long ago. Once again, I feel full of motivation, I feel full of determination, I have just the right amount of energy, and I feel wide awake. I'm happy with the way things are, I'm happy where I'm at in life. I just did a singing video yesterday that's got close to 300 views now, which is crazy. Like, I literally just uploaded it yesterday, and it's got almost 300 views. Like, I'm so happy about that. I think it's going to go viral actually, which is pretty exciting because I haven't had any of my singing videos go viral yet. But I did a really, really good job on it. And yeah, I'm pretty excited for that. So, once again, the Amare Happy Juice is for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut because 90% of your serotonin in your body is produced in your gut and 70% of your dopamine is also produced in your gut. So, if you balance out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut, you're going to balance out the serotonin and dopamine in your brain as well. So, if you have anything going on with your mental health, which is generally a sign of having too little or too much serotonin or dopamine, then I would highly, highly recommend drinking Amare Happy Juice because this stuff is absolutely incredible.